everybody, welcome to Paternity Week 2. Luckily for you guys, this is a super short week. I know what you're thinking, though, right now. Mr. Stoker, you have on the same hoodie that you have on from last week. Why didn't you change clothes? Because I made the videos on the same day so that I could get onto my paternity leave. All right, now that you're done laughing at those extremely funny jokes, we'll go ahead and talk about what you need to work on for this week. So, again, it's a short week. I'm well aware of that. Thanksgiving is coming, so I hope all of you find a way to safely celebrate that with your families and do what you can. We're going to be keeping it pretty low-key at my house, that's for sure, especially with just bringing a new baby home with a very, very small immune system. We're going to be, even more diligent than we've ever been about, making sure that we keep our house kind of germ-free. So this week for social studies, same as last week, please log in. Go to Ms. Dodson's YouTube channel. Make sure you watch your morning announcements. I know it's the afternoon, but there's a lot of information that she provides daily that you guys need to make sure that you're getting. So that's a good way to start social studies. From there, this week you just have Khan Academy work to do. Like I said, I know I talked to you last week about, keeping up with it. This week, these are the set of assignments that you need to complete. They're due, it says by the 24th, okay, so that's tomorrow, Tuesday. That's when those are due. But you're home all week, and, if you happen to need a little extra time to get them done, it's built in there, and it's fine. But if I were you, I would just complete them by the 24th so you don't have to worry about working on anything while you're on Thanksgiving break. So please make sure that you're reading every article, and paying attention to what you're reading too. Then from there, the videos, just remember for any Khan Academy video, if it's not marking it as completed for you, you can't stop the video even with a couple seconds early. It has to play all the way through. You cannot try to use the slider and fast forward. Sometimes, even though people say that happens, the best thing that I could tell you to do is to get that video counted and scored would be to maybe if you've watched it and it's not counting it in your Khan Academy, start it over, maybe turn the sound off, let it play through in a separate tab, and then open up another tab like up here, and then just read one of the articles while you're waiting for the video to play, okay? So you could turn the sound off and do it, but if you're having trouble, that's one of the ways to make sure that the video gets counted. Now, please, do not take that and try to use it to half grade the video. There's unit tests at the end of this, and those videos are important. Not to mention, what you're learning about is also important to understand kind of how America is founded and then why we exist and act in the way that we do today, be it good, bad, or indifferent. However you feel about America today, it's important to know how we started and then how we got to where we are. So that's what I would like you to do. Again, I know it's a short week. You only have 2 sessions. So make sure you're logging in on time. Make sure that Mr. Hughes gets you counted for attendance purposes. And then you're going to be completing these Khan Academy assignments. So that's it for this week. And I will see you all with a video update next Monday. I hope you have a great holiday break. And I look forward to seeing you here in a few weeks when I get back from paternity leave. Thanks for tuning in. Bye. I think I did that whole thing.